Hey everybody, it's Will. I just wanted to show you what's been going on the last week. So I've been turning these ones, the ones that have one side done and drilled out. I wanted to have those turned around and turn the grip section, which is all of these. All beautifully machined, and there's a whole pile of them there, a whole pile of them there, a whole pile of them starting here. A ton of them. And I just wanted to show you what that process looks like. So I'm going to take one of these, head over here to the machine, stick it in the chuck, close the chuck, and I'll get a better position here. Alright, so we've got the machine, magic green button. There's cut off first, there's spacing, there's a center drill, and then there's a drill up to the very front. And that's creating that grip profile. Nice curved surface. It goes kind of slow, and sometimes things get a little messy with the curls of aluminum, but it's all good. So then it's doing the actual grip, the lay pattern that I put on there to give it that nice texture. That was just that last 3 seconds. It's a real tight spiral. It's something that almost no one else does. I've seen it on a couple random things. But I think it's a really cool texture, and you guys probably saw it from all the reviews. It works really well. I think it's a lot better looking than most knurling for giving a good grip section. So I'll go ahead and clean that off. Let's see if I can get in there and so you can see that cool texture. Alright, so go ahead and take that out and put it in with the pile. And so I still have a fair amount to go. I've gotten these two big piles over here. There's a bunch that still need to be done, a bunch over here that still need to be done, but making the way through it pretty quickly. You probably just saw the videos about all the clips. Those are awesome, and I should be getting all the mechanisms in here, I think probably by the time this update shows up. So anyway, talk to you guys later.